Universal post site settings allow you to change all post site settings at one place. For Universal Post Site settings, click on your company name on the top right corner and select Company Settings from the drop-down. Under the Global Post Site Settings tab, you have all the settings. Changes you make here will be reflected on all post sites. 1. Enforce clock-in before check-in. It enforces the security guards to first clock into their shift and then allow them to check in on the post site. 2. Notify when guard enters or exits the geofence. Whenever the guard enters or exits the geofenced area, the admin will be instantly notified. 3. Force post order acknowledgment. Force post order acknowledgment enforces the guards to acknowledge post orders. For any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.